Microsoft has officially ended support for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025, but they've just released a way to keep your PC secure for one more year completely free. It's called Extended Security Updates, or ESU. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, why you need it, and how to enroll step by step. Normally, after October 2025, Windows 10 would stop getting security updates unless you paid a yearly fee. Originally, Microsoft said it would cost about $30 per PC per year for consumers. But now they're giving the first year of extended security updates free if you enroll through your Microsoft account. This means you can keep Windows 10 secure until October 2026 without paying anything. Go to the Windows search bar and type Check for Updates. Click on Check for Updates to open the Windows Update settings. First, click Check for Updates and install any updates that are available. Once your system is up to date, you'll see a new option that says Enroll in Extended Updates to help keep your device secure. Click on Enroll Now. A new window will appear. Click Next. If you're not signed in with your Microsoft account, sign in now when prompted. If your PC is eligible, you'll see the enrollment page. Click Enroll, and after a moment, you'll get a confirmation message saying, "You're enrolled successfully." That's it. Once you've enrolled, your Windows 10 will continue receiving updates until October 2026. Without updates, Windows 10 becomes a big target for hackers and malware. Extended security updates keep your system safe with critical patches. If your PC can't run Windows 11 yet, this is the safest way to stay protected until you're ready to upgrade.